Molly! Nice one! Napakaganda nung kantang yun talaga. Grabe. So, tatanungin natin ang ating Clash panel. Ano po ang masasabi ninyo sa performance ni Molly?
Molly, I commend you kasi kanina, kahit alam ko na may sipon ka, yung performance mo is very, very happy. Gusto mong ipakita sa amin na I'm okay, kaya ko to, fighting, and you want us to enjoy your performance. And we did. Thank you so much.
Molly, why did you choose this song?
Gusto ko sana po na pakita sa inyo na different side of me, na hindi palagi matapang or fierce, na I wanted to show my heart.
And you did, and that's what we felt. So thank you for showing your heart. Even if you're going through this, napakita mo pa rin. Thank you.
Molly, may sakit man o wala, ang maganda sa'yo, hindi mo pinapakita sa amin na meron kang sakit. And pag kumakanta ka, kahit mataas yung mga notes o mababa, yung face mo pa rin is so charming. So that's what I like about you and your performance. Good. Thank you.